Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the RDR2 excited unexpectedly, and I will show you guys the best solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. First, go to your library and just click on the RDR2 game. Click on this gear icon, click on the properties, and now just go to the updates and just update your game, because the unupdated game will also cause this issue. So after that, go to the installed files and also click on the verify integrity of the game files. So it will start repairing your corrupted files or your missing files, and this built-in function can fix that problem. And if your problem is not fixed, then just click on the browse option, and here you need to just select your RDR2 launcher and right click on the app, and you will see the option of properties on the last. Now go to the compatibility, and now here check this box of disable full screen optimization, and also check this box of run the program as an administrator. Then just apply this and restart the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you can go with the next solution. So you can go to the Windows search and type here the Steam, and just right click on it and run as administrator. By running the Steam as an administrator will also fix your issue, but it is not necessary. So you can go to the Windows search again and type here the system configuration and open it. So now we are going to perform the clean boot, and then just click on the services, and now here just click on the hide all Microsoft services, and then here you need to just click on the disable all, and then click on the apply, click on the OK. Then it will ask you for the restart, so we will restart our PC after our complete settings. So right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager, and now here you can go to the startups you are seeing on the top, and now here you have to just disable all the application. So because this application will run in your background when you start your computer, and it will also cause lot of CPU and RAM usage, so you need to just disable this and just restart your PC, and after that your problem is fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you can apply the next solution. Go to your Windows search at the device manager and open it, and here you need to just update your graphic card. Just go to the display adapters, open your graphic card, and now go to the update drivers, and now here you can simply update it. After that, just go to the Windows search again and type the check for updates, and now open it. So you just need to update your operating system, because the missing update operating system will also cause this issue, so you need to just update. After that, just see your problem is fixed or not. And I hope guys, after all of the solutions, your problem is fixed, and I will see you guys in the next video. If this fix your issue, so please like the video, and bye bye.